Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas in your average Piggy roleplay. First, ensure your game has a winter or holiday-themed map available. If not, consider using a custom map with snowy textures or a cozy cabin setting. Next, gather your friends and decide on a festive storyline. Perhaps Santa needs help delivering presents, or a mischievous Grinch is trying to steal Christmas. Assign roles like Santa, elves, or even a friendly snowman. This sets the stage for a truly magical experience. To truly immerse yourselves, decorating your Piggy RP map is key. Look for in-game assets like twinkling lights, snow piles, and gift boxes. Place at least 20 to 30 decorative items around the map to create a dense, festive feel. Consider adding a large Christmas tree as a central focal point, perhaps standing 10 feet tall. Don't forget smaller details like candy canes and wreaths on doors. These visual cues instantly transform your environment into a winter wonderland, enhancing the holiday spirit for everyone involved. Engage players with festive roles and activities. Assign roles such as Santa, Mrs. Claus, several elves, or even a few reindeer. You could have one player be a friendly snowman or a mischievous gingerbread man. Organize activities like a present-finding scavenger hunt, where players search for 5 hidden gifts, or a caroling session. A snowball fight with custom tools could also add a lot of fun. These interactive elements ensure everyone feels part of the holiday celebration, making the roleplay dynamic and memorable. To enhance your Christmas roleplay further, incorporate festive sound effects and background music, like classic holiday tunes. Encourage players to wear holiday-themed skins or outfits, such as a Santa hat or a festive sweater. Consider adding a special event, like a countdown to a virtual New Year's Eve celebration within your game. Finally, share your creative ideas with the Piggy community. You might inspire others and even find new players to join your festive adventures. Make it a truly unforgettable holiday experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.